So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Eureka Forbes inverter AC and E6 error is coming in that AC and the LED light of the outdoor unit is blinking 2 times, then how can you fix this error? You can do that very easily, so let's start the video. If E6 error is coming in Eureka Forbes inverter AC, and the LED light of the outdoor unit is blinking 2 times, then this error is indoor unit and outdoor unit communication fault. This error can occur in your AC due to 4 reasons. The first reason may be that the supply wire going to your indoor unit and outdoor unit, then you should look at the connector of the indoor unit and the connector of the outdoor unit. There should be the same color code. If the same color code wire is not installed in the connector of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit, then you will get this error. If the same color code wire is installed and the error is still coming, then another reason could be that. First of all, turn on the indoor unit and open the wiring cover of the outdoor unit. Now check the DC voltage at the output supply of the indoor unit. If the indoor unit is providing DC output supply and you are getting this error again, then you will have to replace the PCB of the outdoor unit. And if the indoor unit is not providing output supply, then you have to replace the power circuit board of the indoor unit. After that, this error will be completely fixed. If you have understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.